Now, the last thing which I promised, 4 to 5 questions of CAT 2017, which I picked up here. The first question is on the screen. How many marks are we looking for toppers batch? Dimple, I just put it. I am only concerned about percentile. I will once again put the eligibility criteria. Please take a screenshot of this. This is the eligibility criteria. Okay. Can we get into the toppers batch only by this All India Open Mock? No, you can't. You have to enroll with us. Take the All India Open Mock, then enroll with us. You have to be an enrolled student of BYJU'S exam prep. Either the online classes or test series. Other than that, you will not get into it. Okay. Sir, I am a student of CL, so will I be able to enroll? Absolutely, Jigyasha. Go ahead, enroll onto the app. You can enroll on our test series on the app right now on your own, or you can click on Clock to Counselor. You'll get a call back, enroll in our online classes program to get access of videos recorded by me and taken, videos by Srinivas sir, and live lectures by Saral sir and others. Okay, so you can go ahead and do that. Okay, sir, we will get GDPI counseling irrespective of CAT percentile. GDPI counseling is only for those, counseling you will get, mentorship is only for those getting calls from the top 10 colleges. Mentorship is only for top 10 colleges, I am reiterating. Okay, my last year of graduation, will I CAT consider only 2-year marks of graduation? No, so when you fill the form, you will fill for the marks which have come out till now. That's it. So that's all that will be considered. 3rd and 4th year will be looked at next year before going into college. June mein jab tum jaoge, apne documents doge, at that time they will look at it. Your 5th semester will come out by the time your interviews happen in February, March. At that time they will want 5th semester as well. That's how it happened. Okay. Mocks are written by however percentile. Mocks are not written by 30-50 student Jen. That's incorrect. That's number is 30-50 writing at this point in time. The numbers that I've written as of now are low. I will agree with you, only about 800 to 1000. But I want all of you all to go ahead and write it. Others are not writing. So go ahead and write it. Okay. As soon as that. Just to let you know, we've already identified close to about 40 students will be added to the toppers batch, because there are already about 40 of you all who have written above 8 mocks and who have scored about 90% and at least 3 of them. 40 have already been identified by that. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Okay. So keep that in mind. Okay. Out of the shirts produced in a factory, 15% are defective, while 20% of the rest are sold in domestic market. If the remaining 8850 shirts are left for export, number of shirts produced in the factory. Very, very simple question, right? Imagine there were 100x shirts. Okay. How many are defective? 15%. So 15x defective. How many are sold in domestic market? 20% of remaining. If 15x are defective, how many are remaining? 85x. So 20% of 85x, what is 10% of 85x? 8.5x. So 20% is 8.5 into 2, 17x. So domestic market sold is 17x. How many are you left with? 68x. This 68x is equal to 8840. What do you need? You needed the number of shirts, which is 100x. So 100x is equal to 8840 by 68 into 100. Now 68, I know 17 goes. I know 17 goes in 68, right? 17 will go here 4, 17 here 5, 34, 20, 4 will go here 130. So 13,000, which is option B. Very simple, yes or no? Very simple, yes or no? I have just done it in the simplest way. You could do it in even simpler way mentally. Yeah, substitution bhi kar sakte the. Yes or no? This is actual 2017 CAT ka paper ka question. Is that clear, everybody? Second question, try this out. Second question, try this out. Jaldi, jaldi. Manufacturer of a table sells it to a wholesale dealer at a profit of 10%. The wholesale dealer sells the table to a retailer at a profit of 30%. Finally, the retailer sells it to a customer at a profit of 50%. If the customer pays rupees 4290 for the table, then the manufacturing cost is. These are all CAT questions. These are all actual CAT 2017 questions. मैंने section बनाया है, ये देखो. यही तो मैं बता रहा हूँ. CAT 2017 was simple, conducted by IIM Lucknow. That's what I want to prove. Come on. Second question, guys, quickly. I'll give 15 seconds more. 15 seconds more. Answers have started coming in. Arjun and Parimala have already started answering. Sonalika bhi aa gaya hai. I'm seeing a lot of answers. They've already started. Successive percentage. Exactly. But you could do it even simpler. Let's see how I will do it. Manufacturer of a table sells to already a profit of 10%. Now tell me one thing. If I buy something for 100 rupees and I sell it at a profit of 10%, what do you say? What do you say? I sold it at 1.1 into 100x. Say I bought it at 100x and I sold it at a profit of 10%. It is 1.1 times, yes or no? Yes or no? It is 1.1 times, yes or no? If a profit is 10%, it is 1.1 times. If a profit is 20%, it is 1.2 times, yes or no? Guys, if at a loss of 10%, it will become 0.9 times, yes or no? We all know that, yes or no? Let's assume that the original cost was x. So profit of 10% means x into 1.1. Then additional profit of 30%, so into 1.3. Additional profit of 50% into 1.5. All of this is equal to 4290. So what is x equal to? 4290 by 1.1 into 1.3 into 1.5. इसको मैं बोल सकता हूँ 4290 into 1000, 3 zeros. I have 11, 13, 15. Now 4290 है guaranteed 11, 13, 15 जा रहा होगा. 11 डालते हैं 33, 390. 13 into 15. 13 into 15 is 195. 390 goes twice. 2 into 1000, 2000, option B. I am not even giving smarter hacks, which is option substitution. Start with 3000, move to 2000, substitute, done. I am giving you basic math. Is that clear? Easy or not, guys? Easy or not? Easy peasy? Easy peasy lemon squeezy? To all those who were missing, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Clear? Cool. So should we depend? Don't at all. Why do you need calculator for all of this? यार DI में कोई difficult calculation है, A by B 267 by 288 करना हो तब कर लेना. Otherwise don't. Okay. Let's move to the next question. A tank has an inlet pipe and an outlet pipe. If outlet pipe is closed, then inlet pipe fills the tank in 8 hours. If outlet pipe is open, then the inlet pipe fills the tank in 10 hours. If only the outlet pipe is open, in how many hours the full tank becomes half full? Very simple. Inlet pipe is filling the tank. Outlet pipe is draining the tank. Simple question. Come on. Answers already आ गए. Stud people है यहाँ पे. Stud people है. You all have already started so quickly. Have started getting the answers. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. If you answered already, go to YT, like the session and come back here. Come on, quickly. Like the session. I want you to understand how simple CAT 2017 was. And this is exactly what you're going to see in the 2023 paper. According to me, I think Lucknow will give an easy paper. Generally, Quant from Lucknow is very, very easy. Okay. So tank has inlet and outlet pipe. Outlet pipe is closed, then inlet pipe fills it up in 8 hours. So only inlet fills it up in 8 hours. Inlet plus outlet fills it up in 10 hours, right? Now 8 and 10 ka LCM le lo, you can say 48 hours, 40 hours, sorry, 48 bolo, 40 hours. Let's assume 40, 8 and 10 ka LCM 40. Let's assume that the entire tank has 40 liters water. So the inlet pipe in 1 hour will fill 5 liter water. Yes or no? Yes or no? Inlet pipe in 1 hour, 5 liter water. Correct? Inlet plus outlet together is 4 liter water. Inlet plus outlet together 4 liter water. That means in every hour, 1 liter water is getting drained out. In every hour, 1 liter water is getting drained out by the outlet. Inlet pipe 1 hour 5 liters. Inlet and outlet together 4 liters. So in every hour, 1 liter water is getting drained out by outlet. So 40 liters total hai. Half of the tank will be 20 liters. 20 liters, how long will it take? 20 hours. 1 hour, 1 liter. 20 liters, 20 hours. Simple. Yes or no? Easy. Easy. Clear? All of these questions you would have done earlier as well probably. It's as simple as that. Let's move to the fourth. Mayank buys some candies for 15 a dozen and an equal number at 12 a dozen. Okay. He sells at 16.5 a dozen, makes a profit of 150. How many dozens? Jinesh Asa, 5, 56 profile, non-engineer, 2 years work ex. Can I get FMS? Yeah, 99.8 plus, 99 plus 5 plus, try karo. Jinay, you have a chance. I don't know why, but I got CAT questions easier than BYJU'S mock. Because these are CAT 2017, which is the easiest paper ever. All mocks are not basis 2017, na? ठीक है सर, if I would have been there, I would have got 99.9. वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाई, 2017 easy था. समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? ये बताओ जल्दी, quickly. Very very simple, right? Look at this. Mayank buys some candies at 15 a dozen. So 1 dozen, 15 rupees. And an equal number of candies at 12 a dozen. So another dozen, 12 rupees. That means 2 dozen for 27 rupees. That means the average price is 1 dozen for 13.5 rupees. His average cost price is 1 dozen 13.5. He sells it at 1 dozen 16.5. That means for every 1 dozen, he is getting a profit of rupees 3. Total profit is 150. 1 dozen rupees 3, total profit 150. So how many dozens? 50 dozens. End of story. End of story. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sir, if I am in the 5th semester and my 4th semester is not declared, am I eligible? Yes, you are eligible. Wait for some time before filling up the form. Hopefully 4th will come. Fill it with the 4 semesters. If it doesn't come, fill it with basis just the 3rd semester. Am I clear? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, guys. Clear? So if I write NMAT after, will I be able to get into NMIMS? Yes, you will be. NMIMS looks at first attempt. Just keep in mind that after that you'll also have SNAP and then ZAT and others. And IFT might happen in December. We don't know. Last question as an example, guys. Last question as an example. Last question. If I get 99 in every section, then overall percentile 99.7 plus to hoga hi, for sure. If A, B, C are 3 positive integers, such that A and B in the ratio 3:4, while B and C in the ratio 2:1, which of the following is a possible value of A plus B plus C? Come on, quickly. Last question, quickly, quickly. A, B, C are positive integers, A, B, C in the ratio 3:4, A and B in the ratio 3:4, B and C in the ratio 2:1, which of the following A plus B plus C? Aditi, I already pointed out my request is 28th of October to 5th November के बीच में, और say 27th of October to 10th November के बीच में write NMAT, because I will write it between 10th and 20th. Come and take an analysis. Take it at least a week after that, so that you can write 2 mocks after I have taken it. Okay? Quickly. So, what do we have? A, B, C. First one states A and B in the ratio 3:4. 3:4. B and C in the ratio 2:1. Yaar, can't I state let B be 4x, then C will be 2x, then A will be 3x? Can I say that, yes or no? If B is 4x, why do I take 4? 4 and 2 ka LCM, which is 4. Okay. I take B as 4x. Ratio of B is to C is 2:1. So C will be 2x. Ratio of A is to B is 3:1. 3:2. 3:4. So A will be 3x. So A plus B plus C kitna hua? A plus B plus C is 9x. That means the sum A plus B plus C will be divisible by 9. In the options, what are divisible by 9? For a number to be divisible by 9, sum of digits is divisible by 9. Sum of digits 3, not divisible. Sum of digits 7, not divisible. Sum of digits 3, not divisible. Sum of digits 9, divisible. End of story. Easy or not, guys? I picked up 5 questions out of 34. 15% of the CAT 2017 paper we just solved. Didn't each question take less than 30 seconds? Didn't each question take less than 30 seconds? Will you agree with me that this is easy peasy, lemon squeezy and a cakewalk? Yes or no? Which is why I'm saying don't be afraid of CAT. CAT can be done. 2017, if it is anything to go by, this year paper should be easy. If it is difficult, it will be like last year. You still need just 5-6 questions and you are looking at 85 to 90 percentile.